Yeah.
I'm at school now.
You're at school now?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher?
Just did it.
Where's your house?
Here.
Here?
Yeah.
Who's your mommy?
Mommy, yeah.
What's your ulam?
Sabaw and baset.
Pancit?
Yeah.
Is it your favorite?
Yeah.
Do you eat fish?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You don't eat fish?
No, I like.
You don't like?
Yeah.
It's yummy.
No, yummy.
Hot dog. You want hot dog?
No, no yummy.
Why?
Actually, wow. Oh my God. Goodness.
What? What? Oh my goodness.
I don't know. Si, ilaw kasi. Mami, need to put mo yan.